In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close losing positions in MetaTrader 5. If you want to quickly manage trades that are currently in a loss, MetaTrader 5 gives you a simple bulk action that can save time and make trade management more efficient. This is especially useful when you do not want to close positions one by one and would rather handle all losing trades at once directly from the platform. To begin, go to the positions area in MetaTrader 5. This is where your currently open trades are listed, along with important details like symbol, volume, profit or loss, and other trade information. Before making any changes, take a brief moment to review your open positions so you understand which trades are active and how they are performing. Since this action affects losing positions, it is a good idea to be certain you are ready to close them before continuing. Once you are in the position section, right-click on a position. This will open a context menu with several trade management options. The right-click menu is where MetaTrader 5 places many of its quick actions. So, if you are learning the platform, this is a useful area to become familiar with. From that menu, click on Bulk Operations. This section allows you to apply a command to multiple trades at the same time, instead of working on each one individually. It is designed to make account management faster, particularly when you need to react quickly to changing market conditions. After opening bulk operations, click on Close Losing Positions. As soon as you select this option, MetaTrader 5 will close all positions that are currently showing a loss. This means only the losing trades will be affected, while positions that are in profit should remain open. Because this command can have an immediate effect on your account, make sure you use it carefully and only when it matches your trading plan. And that's it. That's how to close losing positions in MetaTrader 5 using the bulk operations feature. It's a fast and practical tool for traders who want to reduce exposure and manage risk more efficiently. As a final tip, always double check your open trades before using any bulk close function, because once positions are closed, the action is executed in the market and may not be reversible.